Okay, we're good to go. Hey everybody, and welcome back for another gameplay of The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. So from our previous gameplay is nasa hospital tayo. Yes, pagkakadami naman zombie doon. So, gagamutin nga pala natin guys si Mia. Gawa mayroon siyang damage eh. Okay. Okay, there's not enough food supply. So I think she should stay in the car. Okay, stay ka lang dyan sa car. Alright, let's do this. Ano kaya mangyayari sa atin ngayon din eh?
I'll head left and circle back. You go right and then meet me in the middle.
So what are we looking for?
Anything that'll stop that parade of deaders reaching the bar.
So they all mean na pagkakaraming zombie din eh. Oh my goodness. So we're going to do something to stop the walkers. Let's be cautious here. Isa na nga pala ang bala ng ating shotgun. Okay. Okay, this is another dead town. Welcome to the summer festival. Let's welcome ourselves to the dead town. Oh! Granada.
Right.
I don't like the sound of that.
At the gas station across from the church. Found something interesting.
Where is that? Dini ba? Wait. Oh my gosh. Sige. Wala ba malulod sa paligid? At bakit walang zombie? Why is there no zombies here? Oh! Okay, okay. Ano yan? Ano nalimot natin? Ay, it's just a rifle ammo. Ang dami! Oh, okay, okay. Let's be cautious here, guys. Putik, ang dami agad ng walker doon, no? Oh my goodness! Ang dami-dami. Pa, hindi ko sila kayang hagisan ng granada. Feel ko dadami pa yung lalo eh, pagka naggawa tayo ng ingay. Balahan muna natin ating pistol, guys. Siyempre, alis tayo din eh. Let us proceed to the exit. Okay, anong ginagawa kayo ni Merle doon? Come on, let's check it out. Saan ba daan ito? Din eh? Hey yo! Oh my goodness, what are those? Are those fireworks?
What you got?
Hey, looky here. This town was rigged for a fireworks show.
Oh,
Finally, something useful in this hole.
Adapt and overcome, little D.
Load up the church with as many bundles as we can find.
wow.
Drawing as many walkers as we can.
Bang goes the dynamite.
Okay, so gagawa tayo ng distraction for the horde using these fireworks. Okay, this part makes sense now. May malulot ba tayo din eh? Alright, meron.
Look on, Andy.
How about bala? Oh, may shotgun ulit din eh. Ay, kasi lang naman ang shotgun natin eh. Check nga doon natin. Ay, semi-auto ito. Alright, so guys, drop ko na itong ano ha, pump shotgun. Sorry. Atin na itong semi-auto. Alright. Nasa atin pa yung palakol. Din eh. Feel ko meron dining walker. Hop! Okay, wala. Find keys to the new vehicle. So, ito yung bago natin sasakyan pagka nakita natin yung susi nito. Okay, sige. Oh! We might need that. Saan tayo? Dini ba ulit? Pang hindi na. Okay, hindi na bangon. Dini. Hop! Oh no! Oh no, you don't. Kita ah! Hey! Hey, hey! Gagawa pa siya ng jump scare eh. Not today, bro. Okay, so kailangan natin mangolekta ng mga fireworks. Okay, sige. How hard could it be? Sige. Babangon nga eh. Ito. Hindi din. Hey! Hey! Yeah! Oh my goodness. Up! No. Kala nyo ha. Maisa nyo ako. Hop! Kala mo ha? Alright, ito pa. Hey! Okay, saan tayo? Dine? Okay, there's another fireworks here. Yep. Tatlo pa kailangan natin, guys. May bala ba din eh? Okay, pistol. Ay! Hey! Dalawa sila. Woohoo! Chew! Get! Chew! One hit. Aba! Atin na to. Okay, they are the same, guys. Drop ko lang yung isa ah. Sorry. Hindi na ako magkikarry, guys, ng same weapon. Sorry. Are there more here? Oh! Ano ito? Lead pipe. Sige, wag na. Wow. They all saw us, guys. Oh, no, you don't. No! Hindi na. Okay, no. Sa taas kaya, ano? At bakit wala yung objective indicator natin? Medyo nag-lock. Oh, ayun. Tatalon pa tayo din eh. Okay, hindi. Oh! Alright. Collectible. Pang-5 pa lang yun ah. Saan na tayo ngayon? There's no stairs here. Tayo? Baba uli? Akala ko magkaka-falling damage tayo. Akit na uli tayo. Alright. Tatalon tayo. And here we go. Alright. Nakalampas tayo doon. Yun, bala. Alright. Reload. Ay, hindi pala siya na-reload pa. So, ibig sabihin puno pa yung ating weapon. May tatalunan ba din eh? Okay, wala. Paano nagkaroon ng fireworks din sa taas? So weird. Oh. Okay. Isa na lang. May pa ba din eh? Okay, kailangan natin tumalon din sa part na to. Okay. Let's go! Yes! Hello? Oh. Kita tayo na isang to. Ito pa. Chew! Sa likod meron. What an ugly face. Meron pa? Mag-heal muna tayo.
Not bad.
Baseball bat oh. Ang kulang na lamang din yung barbed wire. At ito ay magiging si Lucille na. Yung baseball bat ni Negan. Hello? Alright. More ammo. Okay, puno pa ang ating beng-beng. Saan tayo? Ito! Ito ang susi! Okay, we got a new car, guys. Di ba? Should we jump over here? Wait. Galing lang tayo din kanina ah. Wait. Okay, so tatawid tayo doon. Ay, nang isang fireworks oh, nandoon. Sige. Hop. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. There's a lot of walkers there. At pit ka nagkukusang pumunta sa kanan. Atin na yan. Kompleto na. Saan tayo? Okay, active na ulit guys ang ating objective indicator. Alright. What is this? Is this a... okay. It's a bar. Nasa bar tayo. So, pwede pa tayo manlimot ng fireworks. Okay. Babangon to. Okay, hindi. Ito. Oo, ha? Wow, malakas nga itong baseball bat. Wait. Ito kaya? Okay, hindi siya na-open. Oh, meron pa din yung fireworks, oh. Okay, nasa cemetery na tayo ngayon. Feel ko mas maraming zombie din eh. Yung babangon ng mga patay. I hope not. Ay! Buhay pala yun. Why won't you all just stay dead? Ay! Mahina yung baseball bat. Sige, axe tayo, axe. Yan, nagkamit tuloy sila. Dami. Icho. Dami. Wait. Sorry guys, di ako gagamit ng shotgun. Okay, we took care of them all. Pasensya na guys, ayoko gumamit ng barrel din. Pagkakadami ng walker doon sa kabila ha. Alright. Dahan-dahan na ulit tayo din eh. Oh no, you don't. Meron pa? Okay. Saan ang gagawin nga mga ito? Nabangon ba sila? Okay, critical na ang ating buhay. Oh, no. Wee! Okay, we're dying here. Heal.
Not bad.
Yup. Meron pa? Ay! Sabi na eh! Yup, we all saw that coming. What's in here? Oh! Sledgehammer! Feel ko 2 hits to. Mabigat ang sledgehammer eh. In here? Oh, okay. Sige. Wait. Check mo natin tong paligid. Okay, there's nothing here. Tara, let's go. Hello?
I'm in the church.
You gotta position the ordnance properly, or it's just gonna fizzle out. You got me?
No kidding.
Okay, so din tayo magse-set up ng fireworks for distraction. Oh. Okay, did he just committed a suicide before he turned into a walker? I can't tell. Oh! Alright. Semi-auto rifle. Sige. Magdadrop mo tayo ng gamit. Where's the baseball bat? Ayan. Sorry bro, dadrop na kita. Re-replace na kita din eh.
Could be worse for sure.
Alright, nasaan yon? Yan! O diba? Okay, so magse-set na tayo guys ng fireworks. Alright. There we go. Yan. Okay, din pa. Meron pa?
Where's that church bell?
Where's the church bell? Very obvious, nasa taas yun. What if tapusin na natin ang kanya suffering? Sorry bro. Requiescat in pace. Let's go. Diyan tayo.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, so ito na yung ating bell rope. Okay.
Wake up! They're pouring in now!
Okay, pumunta sa atin lahat ng mga walkers.
Call them in for Sunday service, little brother. All right, baby. Stand in room only. Light them up, boy.
Light them up? Oh. Oh, ayun na.
Gotta go.
Oh, saan tayo? Okay, sige, labas na tayo din eh. Hop.
Not bad, but you better get back to the truck.
Hey, yup. This is where the action starts. Let's kill some walkers for survival. Oh! I one hit! Pero ang bagal niya mag-strike. Oh. Nice. Malakas. Oh!
Yes, sir. Let's see some of those daytime fireworks, buddy.
Wow! Lakas ah! Okay, natawag na yung lahat ng mga walkers. I can feel it. But if gumamit na tayo ng weapon din eh, come on. Sige, come on. Oh! Hoy! Muntik na yun. Yeah, come get some. Matry man lang natin tong barrel na to. Lupit ah. Mas maganda kung may scope to. Okay, lapit. Ano may pa? Ang dami.
Fire in the hole, time, girl.
Hagisa kayo natin sila ng granada na. Oh! Yun, sige, punta nga kayo doon. Oh, lakas. Sobra naman yun. Kung saan sila pupunta, doon natin sila hagisan ng bomba. Sige. Punta muna kayong lahat doon. Oh! Meron pa din eh. Okay, nakita tayo ng isang ito. Where's the sledgehammer? Ito. Mayroon pa ba? Mayroon pa? Sige, nasa yung mga walkers? Doon sila nagpupuntahan. Dahan-dahan. Ito sila! Yan! Fire in the hole, baby! Strike! Sabog! O, di ba? Wipe out sila? Let's go! Alis na tayo din eh. Let's clear our path. Okay, ang dami nila. Din eh. Come get some. This is where the action starts. Come on. Let's shoot them, guys. Yeah. Alright. Come get some. Okay. Wala ba din po yung matungtungan? Din eh. Sige, din tayo sa taas para hindi na tayo abot. Yeah. Sampa. Ayun. Nice. Let's get out of here. Wait. Number 2.
Feel better already.
We all feel better already. Oh. Hahabol ka pa eh. Tara, let's go. Let's get out of this place. Oh, nasulit natin yun, guys. Nice. Okay, so everyone is safe, especially Mia, because she stayed in the car. Alright, so abangan na lamang niyo guys ang susunod na gameplay. So thank you for watching.